Hello everyone, my name is Umut Can Ekinci. I'm a student assistant working as a visual assistant, focusing on photography and videography here at ELLIS Unit Jena. In my role, I'm responsible for visually capturing the vibrant life and events of our unit. I document our lecture series, create engaging video and photo content, and manage our visual media. My goal is to translate the advanced scientific work happening here into compelling visual stories that connect our research community with the public. I choose to join ELLIS because it offers a uniquely collaborate and international environment. It is the perfect place where cutting-edge artificial intelligence research meets creative freedom, allowing me to grow while contributing to a visionary team.